Cloud fonts are available to Office 365 subscribers. If you have Office 365, you'll see them in your font list indicated by a cloud icon. Now, we briefly shared something similar to this in an earlier episode. This is a capture from Office 365 showing the PowerPoint font list with cloud icons. Why should you care about cloud fonts? Maybe you're using Office 2013. Why should you care? Well, I'm sure you want to be able to use new fonts. And there are many new ones available in this cloud font environment, and I'm going to share some with you later. And I would surmise that Microsoft is going to continue to add more because this method allows for faster font updates. Your clients are going to see them, your coworkers are going to see them in their font list, and they're probably going to ask about them. This is the way of the future. So if you work with PowerPoint and you share files with other people, you're going to want to understand what these cloud fonts are and how they work. You should care because it's not, if you're sharing work with other people and other folks are sharing their files with you, these fonts are going to start appearing. Now, we talked about saving embedded fonts, and the great news is, if you don't already know, embedding fonts works beautifully, including on the Mac. You can now embed fonts on the Mac, and you can read embedded fonts on the Mac. That works great for those fonts that can be embedded. How do they work? How do you use them? Well, when you apply one of these cloud fonts from the font picker, PowerPoint downloads it in the background and applies it to the text. Sometimes it takes a second, but you'll see the font characters change as it starts as it loads that file. Now, when somebody views your file, that file with Office 365 or 2019 on any platform, PowerPoint downloads the missing fonts from the font service and the file renders as it was created without any embedding. So I'm going to answer a big question that you probably all have. Yes, you need an internet connection to see the cloud fonts. Yes, you need an internet connection to choose them or to download a missing font the first time. After that, the fonts are stored in cache and they're available to use in other Office apps.